Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing background apps and stopping rogue processes. This frees RAM immediately and often reduces lag. Once done, free at least 10% of storage by deleting large files or moving photos to cloud or SD card, because low storage slows system caching. Next, restart the tablet to flush temporary data and test responsiveness. If speed improves, you've removed transient causes. If not, make sure to note which apps were active before moving to deeper fixes. Now you update the operating system and all apps. Updates often include performance fixes and memory optimizations. Then disable or uninstall rarely used or heavy apps and remove live widgets. These consume CPU and RAM continuously. While testing, switch battery mode to balanced or high performance to avoid throttling. This helps you isolate whether power saving is causing lag. Also check app-specific caches and wipe them selectively. You'll see smoother UI interactions once resource hogs. If earlier steps don't resolve lag, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This eliminates software-level corruption and misconfigurations. Before resetting, run a storage health check and consider replacing a failing SD card or upgrading to a faster model, because bad storage causes stutters. Once reset, restore selectively. If things still misbehave, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps if lag disappears. Uninstall recent installs one by one until you find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.